Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, back again with me. I'm Umar. I'm recording from Malaysia here. Today's topic is how to pronounce THE or the sound in two different ways. Okay, this is gonna be a real quick videos just to show you guys how to pronounce THE sound differently. Okay. THE can be pronounced in two different ways. The first one is traditional THE or the. You can pronounce as the first one. It's basically used when the next word has a consonant first letter. Okay, the second one is the long E, THEE basically when you speak it. The is basically used when the next word has a vowel first letter. Okay, let's just jump to examples. The first one, traditional the is used when the next word has a consonant first letter. I suppose you guys already know consonant and vowels. Okay, the consonant first letter. Okay, the example would be phone. Okay, phone has a P as its first letter, which is a consonant, a P. And then we're gonna use the to pronounce phone. The phone. Okay. And a quick sentence would be, hey Brian, could you please pass me the phone? Pass you what? Pass me the phone. The phone. The phone. Yeah? Not the other way around, the phone. No. We're going to use the phone. The first one. Traditional the. The second one is THEE or the. A long E. The. A long one. Will be used when the next word has a vowel first letter. For example, is apple. Apple has a vowel first letter, which is A, as we can see here. And then a quick example is just, hey Brian, could you please pass me one of the apple, please? Could you please pass me one of the apple? The apple, not the apple, the apple, because it's the next word has a vowel first letter. So a quick wrap up: the is used when the next word has a consonant first letter, and the is used when the next word has a vowel first letter. The keyboard, the phone, the mattress, the school, the mosque, and then the apple, the idea, the arm, the eye, the element. Okay? That's just a quick tips for you guys to pronounce the and the. I hope you guys found it helpful and may benefit from this quick tips from me guys. Okay, basically that's it for my video, my second video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and see you in the other videos. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.